Imagine this. Over 2 million creators are making money on YouTube. Yes, you heard it right. 2 million. That's roughly the population of Houston, Texas. In this digital era, YouTube has become a haven for content creators, offering a platform where creativity and commerce intersect. So how can you carve out your piece of this digital pie? Firstly, choose your niche. Reflect on your passions, your expertise, and your interests. What lights your fire? What knowledge or skills could you share? Research popular niches and trending topics. Find that sweet spot, a niche that aligns with your interests and has potential for monetization through ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Now you've got your niche, what next? Create compelling content. High-quality, engaging content is the lifeblood of a successful YouTube channel. Plan your videos, invest in good equipment, and learn to edit. Remember, content is king, but presentation is queen. Next, optimize your channel. A visually appealing channel banner, engaging channel description, and relevant keywords can make your channel more visible and attract more viewers. Customize your channel layout to showcase your top videos. Ready to start earning? Enable monetization. Join the YouTube Partner Program and sign up for Google AdSense. As your channel grows, explore channel memberships, merchandise shelf, and super chat. Don't forget to promote your videos. Share your content on social media, collaborate with other YouTubers, and engage with your audience. Building a loyal following is key. Analyze, optimize, repeat. Use YouTube analytics to understand what's working and what's not. Experiment with different formats and strategies to keep improving. Finally, diversify your revenue streams. Beyond ad revenue, consider sponsored content, affiliate marketing, and selling digital products. Build relationships with brands and secure sponsorship deals. Earning money on YouTube requires dedication, creativity, and strategic planning. But with the right approach, you can turn your passion into profit. Remember, every successful YouTuber started from zero. Your journey starts today. Go ahead, create, connect, and conquer the YouTube world.